Need a travel trailer with enough sleeping space for the kids without giving up a private bedroom, a functional kitchen, or room to relax together? If so, you need to check out this new arrival to RV Depot, the 2022 Keystone Passport 3401QD, a family-focused bunkhouse with 2 slide-outs and a layout built for everyday adventures. The flip-down entry steps provide a steady path into the main living space. Step inside, and it's easy to see that the center of the floor plan is designed to keep daily life organized. Your first impression is how open and usable the space feels. That's largely thanks to the main slide-out, which expands the main living area and gives you room to move around comfortably. This floor plan is designed to maximize every inch without feeling cramped, and you can tell right away that everything has been carefully thought out. The kitchen has an L-shaped counter with flip-up extension and large stainless sink. And the matching appliances include a 3-burner range with an oven, vent, microwave above, and double-door refrigerator. Everything you need to whip up extraordinary meals. Across from the kitchen, the tri-fold sofa sleeper adds another place to sit during the day and additional sleeping space when needed. Beside it, the U-shaped dinette gives the family a dedicated place for meals, schoolwork, or evening games. With both seating areas positioned in the slide, the main walkway stays more open. Next, to the left, we come to the bathroom, which sits between the kitchen area and the rear bunkhouse. That central location makes it easier for everyone to reach without walking through somebody else's sleeping space. Plus, with its own exterior access door, it's extremely convenient at the campgrounds. Now, the rear bunk room is what really separates this floor plan from a lot of family trailers. It has 4 double bunks, 2 on each side, along with wardrobes, closet storage, and an entertainment center. Each child can have a more defined sleeping area, while the storage helps keep clothes, school supplies, and personal items from spreading into the living room. Bunk rooms with this much dedicated storage space are rare. It's one of the reasons bunkhouse models like this are so sought after, because everyone gets their own place to unwind, and having that separate sleeping space makes traveling with a family feel much more manageable. At the opposite end, the front bedroom gives the adults some separation from the bunkhouse. You get a residential-sized 60 by 80-inch queen bed, wardrobes on both sides, nightstands, and additional overhead storage. That privacy can be especially valuable when the trailer is being used as a full-time housing option. This Passport delivers real sleeping capacity to handle everyday life. RV Depot has helped hardworking families explore practical paths toward RV ownership since 1990 by looking at the whole person, not simply one number. Want to find out more and how we can help you? Reach out to our team today. They are here and ready to help at RV Depot.
Here's why people choose RV Depot. They want affordable housing they can actually get approved for. We do in-house financing, which means we approve bad credit, bankruptcy, repos, situations banks will reject automatically. There's real conversations about whether the payments work for your budget right now. That's what in-house financing actually means. Banks see your past, we see your present. That's the difference.